Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, over the last 15 years, we've tested 64 different trading courses and we have put the most powerful systems and trading techniques that we've discovered in this brand new trading course. And for a limited time, I'm giving away free access. So go to johnsfreegift.com. That's johnsfreegift.com or click on the very first link in the description to get free access to this brand new trading course right now. Alrighty traders, so we're just gonna have a quick market update on another market, what's going on right now in the Dow Jones, the S&P 500. I'm gonna look at the other indices as well too, plus also, like things like the financial ETF, XLF, XHB and stuff like that, plus also look at silver and gold, bit of update from them. Now let's actually continue on from here. So what's going on right now on the short-term basis with the Dow Jones is we're still compressing up into these levels through here. Now, if we do start to, we make low, higher low, higher low, higher low, right? So the buyers are continuing to raise their prices through here. So really interesting times through here that we're squeezing up and we're about to make a big move either way. If we do break down, it's probably going to race down to 22,000. If we do break up, we're probably likely to spend move and probably even run it up to the 30,000. Right, there you go there, right? So up to the 30,000 Dow. We're compressing up and compressing up, and it's like a water hose, right? When you put your hand over the water hose and it squirts. That's what's happening, right? We're squeezing up, and then when it breaks, we're likely to go for a big, likely to go for a nice move. So that's what I'm seeing through there. Now, the interesting thing is the S&P 500, same thing, right? We're making low, higher low, higher low, still compressing up into these levels through here. If we go have a look at, say, the IWM, with pretty much no one really in control, right? Sideways, not really much happening on the Russell 2000, Russell 3000, the same as the Dow Jones. And also the transports, same sort of thing. The transports have been pretty much in this sort of sideways channel through here for pretty much the entire year. We dropped out through here. We ran straight down to this level of support, came down to this level of support, and then we ran back up, got back above this channel, ran back to the other end of the channel, and now we've just been going sideways. So within all that being said, guys, it'd be really interesting to see what goes on right now. This is the transports looking at the daily chart. You can see we have a bit of a gap here. So is this creating now like a bit of a lower high before we break down? It'd be really interesting to see what's really going on there and what's really going to happen there. So the thing that we're looking at right now is we're looking at this market through here and we're saying, okay, we really need to be patient with your trading right now, okay? Especially with where the Dow Jones, the S&P. A lot of people are getting chopped up because we're going through a bit of a gyrations in the markets, and you got to learn how to pick your right time to get involved with these markets and not get involved with these markets, and that's what you want to be doing. So be patient with that there. Looking at the silver market here. We're still compressing up into this triangle pattern through here. Oh, sorry, this channel through here. So it's really interesting to see what's happening through there. And also the gold. I did a gold video yesterday saying that if we did break down, we're probably likely to run to the bottom here. If I go to that hourly chart, and that still could be happening right now, right? So, but we got a lot more of a pullback than I originally was hoping for. But if we still get a breakdown, then we still could be getting ready for a move back to the downside there. Oh, that's the hourly chart, guys. That could only be 1 day move, right? Which is just maybe a down move through here, and then we continue through here. So the whole thing about gold is that on that weekly chart, we're still in this very big bull market, right? And look at this here. We can see how that we had all this move through here. And now we've just broken out. So that tells me all this move through here and we're just broken out. Yes, someone said to me, do I still think this is the start of the next bull move? Yes. But remember, a bull move simply means over the next couple of years, over the next 2 years. A bull move means bull run, bull pullback. Bull run, bull pullback. These pullbacks could last a couple of months, sometimes 6 months, right? In an overall bull market, yes. This is the start of a bull move, I believe. All right, I believe that. Now, obviously, I could be wrong, right? So But looking at this here, even if we do get a bit of a pullback through here, I still do believe the buyers are going to come back in and take this up through there. So always keep your powder dry, guys. Okay, don't be quick to rush into things. Like, I know a lot of people, especially with silver and gold, right? They'll quick, get into it. Same with gold through there. So just be patient. Don't rush into anything. Just because you think that this is the next bull move, this is the next big bull move, doesn't mean you throw 100% of your money at that one position. Because remember, it's a couple of year run, guys. The market will run and then it'll pull back. Like it's doing right now, right? We go for a run, then we go for a pullback. That's how the markets work. They operate like that. So let's have a look at the XLF. And XLF is pretty much in that, look at this here, sideways range, right? Sideways. If we go have a look at that weekly chart, we're still pretty much into, like, if I delete that off the screen there, we're still pretty much like into a bit of a triangle pattern. See that through there? So we're still pretty much like that through there to there. All right, squeezing up, and a bit of a sideways range through there. And that's what we're seeing through there. So the resistance, same through there, low, high, low. We're squeezing up into this level through here, and that's what we're seeing through there right now. So it'll be really interesting to see, do we compress up here and do we squirt up? Squirt, there you go, squirt. JP Morgan looks pretty much similar as well too, right? So JP Morgan, we actually had a break up, as you can see, it broke up to the resistance level. If I go back to the high there, right, so we ran right to the resistance level. If I go to that daily chart now, as you can see, we ran right to resistance level up here, right at that resistance level, and then backed off. So back to that weekly chart again. We're still definitely compressing up into this overall triangle pattern through here. Low, equal low, higher, pullback. Are we developing some sort of sideways movement through here? Because if we are, then we could be getting ready for a nice move up. Looking at the XHB would be the last one I want to look at here. Still very nicely on the upside, guys. The market's higher low, sideways, small bars. Pretty volatile though, but definitely we're still seeing the market continue to push these highs. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see XHB and a lot of the market actually continue to break up to the upside.